as hell. Another day come and gone, oh well. And somewhere there's a drink with my name on it. Well, I ordered a scotch as I bust through them doors. Spilled half on my jeans, the other half on the floor. When I saw you standing by that video game. Well, I ain't very good, but I get practice by myself. Forgot my one line, so I just said what I felt. If only you were lonely. If only you were lonely too. If only you were lonely, then I'd go home with you. 20 push-ups this morning, that was half of my goal. Tonight I'll be doing pull-ups on the toilet bowl. And somewhere there's somebody growing up. I broke the seal on my door and I poured myself to bed. A whirlpool spinning around in my head. There was liquor on my breath and you were on my mind. And I'll be dreaming of that smile without a care in the world. If only you were lonely. If only you were lonely too. If only you were lonely, well, I'd go home with you. I walked out of the kitchen, I was tired as hell. Another day's here, oh well. And somewhere there's a smile with my name on it.